Molecular orbital diagram of tetrahedral complexes. I am Dr. Digna Varghese. The molecular orbital treatment for tetrahedral complexes is similar to the molecular orbital treatment of octahedral complexes. A tetrahedral complex may be thought to be derived from a cube with p sigma orbitals of the ligand directed towards the metal ion as shown in figure. It can be shown by group theory that both the metal orbitals and the combinations of the p sigma orbitals of the ligands, which are most suited to form sigma bonds in the metal ligand directions, have A1 and T2 symmetries. The orbital of the metal with A1 symmetry in tetrahedral environment is the s orbital. But there are two sets of orbitals of the metal and with T2 symmetry in this environment. These are the set of 3 p orbitals and set of 3 d orbitals, dxy, dxz and dyz orbitals. The dx square, y square and dz square orbitals of the metal have a E symmetry in tetrahedral environment and do not take part in sigma bonding, as there are no combinations of p sigma orbitals of the ligands of E symmetry. A simple sigma molecular orbital energy level diagram of the tetrahedral complex is shown. Figure shows the sigma bonding molecular orbitals in tetrahedral complexes. Here the metal orbitals and here the ligand group orbitals that can match the symmetry with the metal orbitals, and here the molecular orbitals by the overlapping of the metal and the ligand orbitals, ligand group orbitals, and forming A1, then T2, then E is the non-bonding and T2 star is the anti-bonding, and T2 star and A1 star. This is the molecular orbital diagram for tetrahedral complex. You can draw this diagram and study like the octahedral molecular orbital diagram. The molecular orbitals T2, T2 star and T2 double star will have the contribution from all the T2 orbitals of the metal. Okay, that is the set of p orbitals and the T2 orbitals and the T2 orbitals of the ligand. That is, these molecular orbitals will have the mixed contribution from p and d orbitals of the metal. The 4 ligands contribute 4 into 2 is equal to 8 electrons toward the bonding, which may be considered to be occupying the A1 and T2 bonding molecular orbitals. The electrons previously present in the d orbitals of the free metal ion may therefore be considered to be distributed in the E T2 star set. The E orbitals are the non-bonding metal dz square and dx square y square orbitals, whereas T2 star orbitals have a major contribution from the metal d and p orbitals. The energy difference between the E and T2 star orbitals is equivalent to the crystal field splitting parameter delta T of the crystal field theory. According to the crystal field theory, both E and T2 orbitals are pure d orbitals, whereas according to molecular orbital theory, E orbitals are pure metal d orbitals and T2 star orbitals have a mixed d, p and ligand orbital character. Okay, thank you.